Okay, that's it. Let's frame a picture. All right, got my print from our Etsy shop. Let's open it up. Nice.
Oh my God.
All right, we've got our 24 by 36, looking really nice. Let's get this into a frame. Once we have our artwork in a frame, we need to decide on placement. I'm only hanging one picture, but of course you can hang one or multiple pictures on the wall and go for more of a gallery effect. This frame is on the larger side, being 24 by 36, so I'll be using a drywall anchor to hang this. I've seen people hang pictures with nails, but I would recommend using a drywall anchor over a nail because it provides a more stable and secure hold, especially for heavier objects. There's a bunch of other methods to hang pictures that don't involve drilling a hole into your wall. So let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover that in a separate video. First, I'll hold my picture up just to get an idea of how high I want to hang it. I'll mark a faint line across the top with a pencil. Then I'll measure the width of the wall against the faint line to find the center of the wall, because in my case, I want this frame to be centered. Remember that your picture frame will have a hook, wire, or clip to hang from. So we'll have to measure that distance from the top of the frame and then transpose that to the wall to figure out where to put our drilling mark. Next, we'll use painter's tape to make a catch beneath our drilling point to catch any excess drywall debris. Once we marked our point on the wall, we'll be drilling a hole for our anchor. Place your anchor inside and begin to install the anchoring screw turning clockwise. Remember to leave some of the screw exposed. This is actually what the frame will hang on. And that's it, you're done. Your wall is infinitely more interesting.